Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to guide you how you can easily use SalesFlare CRM. SalesFlare CRM is an amazing tool for small businesses to make their process more effective, and I believe that after finishing this video you will know exactly how to use it. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on a link. When you're going to click on a link, you will get right here to SalesFlare. The first thing you want to do is let's click here, try it for free. Now I can sign with a Gmail, Office, Outlook, or other. I'm going to choose other. And I'm going to add here work email address and connect. Right here, I'm going to add password, server, you would add it right here. So this is like the first way how we can do it. Or what you can do is to like connect it with your Gmail account. Like these are the two ways how we can actually do it. So you can go with the username, password, server, port, or I can simply go here and choose Gmail. So I'm going to choose like Gmail. We can go that way too. Allow. And I allowed it. Now, time to get back to SalesFlare app. Web app. So this is what I'm looking for. And here we are. So in a moment when you sign up with your email, Gmail, Outlook, you're going to be right here. The first two things that we're going to do, I'm going to show you straight away. We're going to find home button, notifications, then tasks, accounts. On other accounts, we're going to have contacts that are going to be connected to the accounts. Then we're going to find opportunities that we are going to add here on the bottom right. And then we are going to show you also how you can create a workflow and then insights. So let me just start here with the accounts. And this is the first thing that we are going to focus on, how we can actually create an account. So I'm going to be right here and you see, okay, welcome to your first account. We have added our contact details for you so you can always easily reach us. All emails, meeting calls. Delete. Okay. So now what I can do is go to bottom right and create account. Now account name is going to be, let's say this is going to be Sun account company. Now account website. Description, this is company that is selling roofs. Size, let's say 10 people. Account email, if you have it, you add it right here. You can add more emails, then you're gonna have phone number here, social profile URL, and then you have address here. So you would add an address, street, postal code, city, state and region, country, and tags. So this is how you're gonna create new account. If you want, you can easily stop this video right now and then continue with me further, okay? So now I'm going to click create. In a moment when you're gonna click create, you would have it the same with the SalesFlare, really similar, right here. And you see timeline, what was actually happening. Then contacts, and we don't have any contacts yet. We are going to create everything for this account. So let's jump here for the first thing, and that's contacts. Here in a contact, I would go to the bottom right again, click plus here, and create a contact. Now full name, this is going to be, let's say, Marcus Sun contact. Email address, marcussun@gmail.com. Then you can simply add a work address, social profile URL, role. Let's say this is going to be sales, organization, and we can have like Sun. And you can simply add position here. So if you have organization, you add it. If you don't, you don't. And let's click create. Of course, you can change the profile picture right here. So when I'm going to press create, and I have it right here. See? Contact, Marcus Sun contact. I can go to account, click on it. And then you have like, this is opportunity. manage. And when you click under contacts, you're going to see manage. And I can simply choose on Marcus Sun contact. And let's say this one here and save. In the moment when I found it and created the contacts, I can simply find it in accounts under contacts. So that's like pretty straightforward and pretty easy what you can do. Now, when we go even further, and what you can do further is when you have accounts, when you have the contacts, we can simply go to tasks. In tasks, you're going to see today, upcoming and completed tasks. I can simply click here and write add a task. So this is going to be call, let's say, Sun company, contact, related account, see, Sun account company. That's it. Then we can have remind me by later today, tomorrow, in 2 days, next week. So in 2 days, you can of course add a custom date and time. So that's something you can do. And then you can also, who is going to be the team member taking care of this? Talm and tips. That's right. And then I'm going to click add here. And voila. So now when I have today, I have upcoming tasks. And this is the upcoming tasks that I have. So you can see clearly that it's like working right now. And now when we go further, and we have the Sun company contact, under tasks, accounts, we can go to opportunities next. So this is how you can simply do it. You can of course go to bottom down and create a task right here. So that's how we can work with it. And you have filters and stuff like that. Then you're going to see opportunities. And in opportunities, you can again go to bottom right and create opportunity. So account name, this is going to be Sun account company. Opportunity name, let's say this is going to be sales. Just sales. Stage, which stage is going to be? Let's say it's going to be lead, contacted, qualified, proposal made, or won. So let's say this is going to be lead. Then owner is me, assignee is me. Value, let's say this is going to be $10,000. And close date, let's say October 15. Again, you choose it based on the opportunity that you have. Let's press create. And now we got it. Of course, you can simply move the lead between lead, contacted, qualified, etc. What you can of course do always is to simply click on your Sun account and on your lead here, on your opportunity. And then you're going to see the stage progress, opportunity information. You can even add a custom fields and tags on the bottom right. Now, when you got it, you're going to see also the timeline here of like the time, the September, October, and the next upcoming months. And now when you got it, you can go also to bottom right and you can configure pipelines. This is really important. So we'd go to the top right, configure pipelines. And here you can have lead, contacted, qualified, proposal made, won. And you can change everything from the percentage of probability. You can edit the stage. You can simply copy the stage. You can really optimize it as much as you want. So this is where you can optimize and change your opportunities, pipelines. So let's say that I don't want to have a lead here. I can, let's say, rename that to lead is going to be Lydiaos. Update. And now when you got it, we can go again and move further on the workflow. And on the workflow, we're gonna create a workflow right here. So we're gonna have like choose the audience here. So let's say this is going to be okay, this kind of thing, an account, or you can have filtering the audience. But let's say these are the 10 contacts that we're gonna have. Workflow name, you can edit that. Then goal, contact replies to any email, no specific goal. contacts, open an email. And then you're going to have like workflow here. What is going to happen? Workflow name, this is going to be opens email. And exit if, set live immediately. And we can simply set a step here. We're going to have sent email. So this is going to be the configuring email workflow. What is going to actually happen? So let's say opens email, enter if, choose the audience. You would choose it. Then goal, contact's going to open the email. Exit if the goal is met, emails bounce, contacts unsubscribe. 30 days. Set live immediately and when it's going to be sent. And then you can simply set up what you want to actually send. The one thing that I would really appreciate if they would have like templates here, that would be really effective. So I would have a sent email. Sent how many days after workflow is entered. And yep, you would add a subject and normal mail. Of course, you can add multiple steps here, but this is pretty much it how we do it. So always choose the audience. So if, let's say, email contains, or we can go if filter, like if the owner is Talm and Tips, then it's going to always send the email, right? And this is pretty much it how we do it. And this is how we can work with the workflows. Insights, you have like analytics about revenue, one new value, sales cycle, and everything. So you get all the necessary information about how are you actually performing. So that's pretty much it. And the last thing are settings on the bottom left. And right here, you would have managing your team. Then permissions. You can set targets here. So that's something you can do. And that's pretty much it. Task settings, email settings, etc. So I hope I kind of helped you what you can do and what you can actually achieve with it with SalesFlare. It's an amazing tool that you can use, and I really believe that like you just know exactly how to use it. There isn't like much stuff to talk to you about, and that's pretty much it. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.